Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope fine. Today I will discuss about exercise 1.5, and you will get it at page number 37. And today I will solve some problems of simplification. Now, at page number 11, you get this problem. It is number 11, page number 37, and the problem number 11. It is 3 whole 1 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2 into 1 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2 of 1 whole 1 by 2. And to solve any problem of simplification, we know we have to follow the rule of BODMAS. Okay, that means at first we have to do the work of bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, and so on. We can see there are two first bracket. It is a first bracket, and there are another first bracket. We can solve. We can do the work of both brackets together, no problem. So in first bracket, there are a division sign. That means we have to do the work of division earlier, and in the second first bracket we get an of. Okay, we have to do that work earlier than other. But very firstly, our work is we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. For any simplification, we have to convert all mixed fraction to improper fraction. It is 3 1.5, and we write it 7 by 2. 2.5 it turns to 5 by 2. 1.5 it turns to 3 by 2. Again, similarly, 3 1 by 2 turns to 7 by 2. 2 1 by 2 turns to 5 by 2, and 1 1 by 2 turns to 3 by 2. Okay, now we have to do the division earlier. But we can't divide directly. We have to convert it into multiplication, and convert the ratio into its reciprocal ratio. 5 by 2 turns to 2 by 5, and division sign turns to multiplication sign. And now we have to do the work of 5 by 2 of 3 by 2. Actually, both of and multiplication has same work. Okay, 5 by 2 of 3 by 2, we have to multiply 5 and 3, 5 and 3, and it turns to 15, and 2 and 2 it turns to 4. Okay, and then next line here, 2 and 2, we can deduct 2 and 2 because this 2 is in numerator and it is in denominator. That's why we can cut them. That means in the first bracket, 7 and 3 is in the numerator, and 1 2 and 5 it remains in the denominator. And similarly, we have to divide 7 by 2 divided by 15 by 4. We convert the divide sign into multiplication sign, and we write the reciprocal of 15 by 4. It is 4 by 15. 15 by 4 turns to 4 by 15. So 7 3s are 21, 2 5s are 10. Very easy. And here 4 and 2 both are divisible by 2. We divide 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. That's why it turns to 1 into 15 in denominator, and 7 into 2 and in numerator. So 21 by 10 divided by 7 2s are 14 and 1 15s are 15. Again we have to convert the division sign into multiplication sign and find the reciprocal of 14 by 15. As a result, it has been 21 by 10 into 15 by 14. And all we know, 21 and 14 both are divisible by 7. We know 7 3s are 21, and 7 2s are 14. And similarly, 15 and 10 both are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So at last we get 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So our result is it is a improper fraction, and we have to convert our result to the mixed fraction, and it is 2 full of 1 by 4. Many of you turns into it in decimal number, but it's not correct. For the simplification, you have to take it in mixed fraction. 9 by 4 is equal to 2 full on 1 by 4. Don't write it 2.25. okay, you can't write as a decimal number. Okay, again I am going to solve number 14. It is 7 half minus 3 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. First bracket start, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Okay, our first work, we have to convert all the mixed fraction to improper fraction. And okay, we convert all the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 7 and half turns to 15 by 2. 3 1 by 4 turns to 13 by 4. 3 by 4 it is not a mixed fraction, that's why it remains constant. 1 by 3 it is also a proper fraction. And at first we have to do the work of first bracket, and in the first bracket there have no mixed fraction, that's why we directly make the operation. We know the LCM of 3 6 8 is 24. If we have to calculate it in a rough page, what is the LCM of the denominators? 368, LCM of 368 is 24. So you can understand the numerator. 3 8s are 24, that's why 2 into 8. 6 4s are 24, that's why 1 into 4. 8 3s are 24, that's why it is 1 into 3. Okay, so we just in the next line everything remain constant. Now just 2 into 8 is 16, 1 into 4 is 4, and 1 into 3 is 3. And the next line we just make the addition and subtraction. 16 minus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, now next line, and we just 3 5s are 15. So that means in numerator there are 5 and in denominator there are 24. I am not discussing the rest part because rest part remains constant for each and every time. And this problem, the beauty of this problem, solution of the problem is it goes gradually. It proceeds gradually, and that's why it is a very interesting sum. Now we have to subtract 5 by 24 from 3 by 4. Actually, we know the procedure of the subtraction of fractions. So at first we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 24. 4 and 24, LCM of 4 and 24 is 24. That's why 4 6 are 24, 3 into 6 minus 24 ones are 24, 5 ones are 5, we don't show it, 5 ones are 5, that's why we write 5 directly. Okay, now next line is 3 into 6 minus 5. 3 into 6 is 18, we just write 3 into 6 is 18. And then next line is in previous line 18 minus 5, it is 13. So 13 by 24, we get 13 by 24, and it is 15 by 2. As it is division sign, we convert it into multiplication sign. 13 by 24, and we convert 13 by 24, it's a reciprocal fraction, 24 by 13. And let's see, 13 and 13 can be discarded. We discarded 13 and 13, and 4 6 are 24. That means in numerator we get 1 into 6, and in denominator we don't get anything. That means 6 divided by 1, we can write it directly 6. 13 13 cancelled, 4 6 are 4 6 are 24, we write just 6. Okay, again we have to take the LCM. Here 2 and under 6, that means denominator of this number is 1. If there have no number in denominator, that means there have 1 in the, that is 1 in the denominator. Okay, 15 minus 6 into 2, and it turns to 15 minus 12, 6 2s are 12, and it turns to 3 by 2. Okay, and it is our answer. 1 full 1 by 2, 1 full 1 by 2. We have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, not into decimal number. I am telling it again. Okay, thank you so much everyone. It is